Question 9 of this exercise says that Mita saves rupees 4,000 from her salary. If this is 10% of her salary, what is her salary? So Mita saves rupees 4,000, which makes up 10% of her total salary. So we have to find what her total salary is. So let's start by assuming some variable for the total salary. Let's assume that the total salary is, let's say, rupees X. Now I'm going to show you two slightly different ways to find X. In the first approach, we can set up an equation in X. Okay, so the first approach is an equation approach. So we observe or we make use of the fact that 10% of her salary is 4,000 or 10% of X is 4,000. So we can write 10% of rupees X, which is her total salary, must be equal to her savings, which is rupees 4,000. And from here we can set up an equation in X. 10% of rupees X can be written as 10 by 100 into rupees X. So I'm going to just write X, and on the right side we have this equal to 4,000. So this is an equation in X now, which we can solve to find the value of X. So 10 by 100 is 100 by 10 is 10, and then we take this 10 to the right side and multiply it with 4,000. So that will give us X equal to 40,000. So this tells us that Mita's total salary is 40,000. Another slightly different way to arrive at the same answer is to set up a proportion and equality of ratios in X. Okay, so we make use of the fact that 10% of her salary corresponds to an amount of rupees 4,000, and we know that 100% of her salary we have assumed to be rupees X. So 100% of her salary corresponds to rupees X. So the proportion we can set up is that 10% is to 100% must be rupees 4,000 is to rupees X. So let's write this proportion. So 10% is to 100% must be equal to rupees 4,000 is to rupees X. So this is how we can set up a proportion in X. Now 10% is to 100%, we can write this simply as 10 by 100. And on the right side, rupees 4,000 is to rupees X, we can write this as 4,000 by X. Okay, now let's simplify and solve this equation. So 100 by 10 is 10. And we again multiply 10 with 4,000, that gives 40,000 on the RHS, and we bring this X to the LHS in the numerator. So we will get X is equal to 40,000 once again. Okay, so the answer for this question is that Mita's total salary is rupees 40,000, and this completes question number 9.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.